All right, y'all. So here we go. So we're going to be using all the characteristics that we learned about graphing, quadratics, or parabolas, and now we're going to put it all together here. Okay. And here's the rule that we've been using, and that is that from the original parabola, f of x equals x squared, you will always go over 1 up 1 times a, over 2 up 4 times a, over 3 up 9 times a. This will always work for every quadratic. So watch how quickly we can graph this guy without a chart, without any kind of a table. Table's weak sauce here. Here we go. All right, so first of all, we always want to put, where's the vertex at? So you can think of this again as being a half times x minus 0 squared plus 1. If it kind of helps you to see that, like, oh, wait a minute, but what's the horizontal shift? There is no horizontal shift because there's 0 right here, right? Like this is the same as that. So it moves nothing left or right, but it moves up 1. Okay. Now from there, we're now going to do our little rule. I'm going to go over 1, up 1 times a. So over 1 up 1 times a half is a half. So over 1 up a half. And over 1 up a half. And then we go over 2 up 4 times a half. Well, 4 times a half is 2. So over 2 up 2. Over 2 up 2. Oops, sorry, I think I went down right here. So let's fix that guy. Yeah, make sure you start from the vertex the whole time, not the origin. That's what I just did there. So over 2 up 2. There we go. And then we want to go over 3 up 9 over 2, or 4.5. So over 3 up 4.5. 1, 2, over 3 up 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 0.5. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. All right, so go ahead and connect all of those guys. And as you can see here, the parabola got slightly wider than the original one right here. So that's how we graph a half x squared plus 1. Oh boy, lots of fun right here. Oh, a little too much there. All right, so let's graph these guys. We're going to graph d of x, what the heck, is equal to 2 times x plus 3 squared minus 8. So let's first start with the horizontal shift. So I'm going to go to the left 3, 1, 2, 3, down 8. So from there, I'm going to go over 1, up 1 times a. But a is 2, so over 1, up 1 times 2, so up 2. Over 1, up 2. And then go over 2, up 4, but a is 2, so over 2, up 8. And this next one's going to get really big, so I'll just stop right there. All right, and there's that parabola. Come over here now. Let's start with our horizontal shift. So I'm just going to go to the left 3, 1, 2, 3, and then up or down nothing, because you can think of this as like plus 0. So my horizontal shift, left 3, and then up or down 0. Now what about, okay, so now since this is a negative 1, that means that it's going to open down. So instead of going over 1, up 1, I'm going to go over 1, down 1, because my a is 1. I'm sorry, my a is negative 1. So 1 times negative 1 is negative 1. And then instead of going over 2 up 4 times a, my a is negative 1. So over 2 up 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. So that means I'm going to go down 4. Okay, so if your a is ever negative, then that just means that it's going to open down. And we have one last one just in case that wasn't enough for us. Horizontal shift, right 1, and then down 9. Right 1, down 9. So I'm going to go over 1, up 1 times a. And my a is 3. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Over 2, up 4 times a. Well, a is 3. So that's going to be 12. So over 2, up 12. So that's 9, 10, 11, 12. 2, 2. And this guy gets pretty skinny here. Don't laugh at my parabolas. It's actually as easy as it looks to write nice curves on this little slate here. So there we have it.